Really? Oh, Achtung, zombie behind you! Zombie behind you!
I'm gonna get you. It's fine.
Oh, maybe I shouldn't. Nice
Holy
going,
crap,
buddy.
it just froze. Okay.
Sweet. Boop. I want to make sure that he's
chambered
really
AK
dead.
though. Is that an AK? Is that AK? That's an AK-74, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, another one behind you again. Crawler. Do you think he's dead yet?
Crazy man, would you?
I didn't need this gun either.
Okay. Are you actually trying to eat her brains now? Because I'm pretty sure you're through the skull there. Dude, it's okay. It's okay. You're fine. It's over. It's over.
It's not dead yet though. It's not
over.
dead yet.
I said it's over. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Oh my god.
He's still unconscious.
Oh my god. Oh god.
He's still unconscious.
Oh my god. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
You're not unconscious.
I am so sorry. I didn't mean to do that at all. I just wanted to give you a quick jab in the ribs there. I'm bandaging you if that helps any. Oh my god, I am so sorry. Oh god, I am so sorry.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Oh.
I just punched you to the kidneys. I don't even know how you fell over like that.
Yeah, that was, I think you must. Are you gray man or?
No.
Oh, that was awesome. That goes into my highlights. Okay, I probably deserved that one. Ah, there you go. Okay, feel better? So, what about that other server? Do you think it's full?
I can check right now.
Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah.
No, it must have just restarted. It's a 9 out of 30 right now. It's probably gonna go up in a little though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
it just restarted at 4 o'clock because it restarts at 12.
okay. So,
Wait, never mind. It restarts. Yeah.
so wasn't there? Oh, wait, the Daisy Colony server, the roleplay server there. Don't do it.
Hey, if you don't want to do it,
I'm
I'll
gonna
do
punch
it
you.
for you, man.
I'm gonna punch you. Hey,
Oh,
hey,
no,
hey.
Don't do it. Oh no, don't do it.
Colony server, that's private hive, so we're gonna have to get geared
Yeah.
up and everything again.
It's a 50-man too, but I know where to find all the loot, so I'll get it.
Okay, just remember,
Did
don't
she
pull the
just
trigger.
crash? Oh. Pull the trigger, I dare you. You're too scared. You can't do it.
Do you really dare me to?
Yeah,
Nine,
Really?
nine. No,
Yeah, I think
no,
I'm
he
scared.
doesn't. No, he
Do
doesn't.
it,
No,
do
he
it,
doesn't.
do
Don't
it,
do it.
do
Don't
it.
do it.
How
Don't
are you gonna
do
give
it.
me for it? What are you gonna give me for it,
I'll
man?
give you binoculars.
I got binoculars if you don't do it.
I can't ruin my house or my
Dude.
hat.
I got a. Wait. I got a small protector case. It's pristine. If you don't do it, don't do it. Don't do it. Seriously. Stop.
Do it.
Stop.
Have a good one.
Okay, you know what?
No,
That-
I'm just kidding. I'll save you.
Oh.
Don't do it.
Oh. Really?
No, God dang it, he's an idiot.
Oh.
You're an idiot, man. You stupid. No, you No, you seriously get me out of this.
I'm sorry. I don't have any keys. It's all right.
Are you kidding me?
It's all right. I'll protect you. Run! I'll protect you. I got him.
I'm bleeding.
Oh shit! Hold up. Here, I'm trying.
Oh, I'm screwed over.
Nicht dich hauen. Zombie hauen. Oh, for fuck's sake. Run. Get out of the way.
I'm dead.
I need to. Oh god. Are you really dead? Oh
No,
god.
kill it, please.
I'm trying.
Finish me.
Oh my god. Yes.
Oh
I'm
my
coming.
God.
I don't have any bandages.
I
Are
got
you
out.
awake? Are you? Oh.
Now I'm all gray.
Oh god, I'm sorry.
I'm just really great now. I can see anything.
Oh god, I am so sorry. Okay, I promise you it will never, not ever happen again. Just the opportunity was too good.